25-year-old Emily co-founded Daisy Lab, a company driven to change the way protein is produced in New Zealand and reduce the burden on the environment. Emily discovered her passion for science while attending Rangitoto College. Initially accepted in Otago's medical school for a doctorate, Emily realised that studying genetics was the field she wanted, so transferred to Massey University's Albany campus to complete a degree in genetics and physiology. During the 2020 lockdown, Emily came across a research project on how to use microorganisms to produce casein and whey proteins. The research would be a first for New Zealand. Her research was successful in expressing dairy-identical proteins for microorganisms, proving that the technology is a viable option for the future of food. Emily carried on proving the viability of a system in which dairy-identical proteins can be produced from substances that would otherwise be destined for landfill. Not only can dairy-identical proteins reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but can also redirect waste from landfill into a valorization pathway. Emily filed a patent on this technology in 2023. While completing her master's in 2022, her research was used to establish a biotech startup called Daisy Lab. Daisy Lab is New Zealand's first precision fermentation company, producing dairy-identical proteins from microorganisms. Daisy Lab microbes are currently producing a greater yield of whey proteins than what a cow does per litre. Recently, Daisy Lab was able to produce enough protein for a first batch of ice cream in collaboration with a renowned ice cream maker. This is the first step in showcasing what dairy-identical proteins through precision fermentation can offer to New Zealand and the global dairy markets. At scale, this technology could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 96%, water use by 97%, and land use by 99% when compared to traditional dairy farming. The technology was developed in the North Harbour region and is the first of its kind in New Zealand. This year, Daisy Lab aims to raise enough money to build the first pilot plant facility. The pilot plant will be a 1,000 litre scale and will allow them to produce enough product to do small batch runs. Since applying, Emily has been accepted into an international accelerator program called the Respond Accelerator by the BMW Foundation. Funding from this award will go towards Emily upskilling in particular areas of science and business operations, finance and communications to help her contribute to the success of her biotech startup, Daisy Lab. Receiving the North Harbour Club AIMES Innovation Award for 2024, sponsored by Bridge West and a cash grant of $15,000, congratulations, Emily McIsaac.